Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how you can change language in LinkedIn. So let's get started. First, open LinkedIn app on your mobile. After you have opened LinkedIn, go to your profile section. Now you can see the settings menu, click on it. Now go to account preferences. Here, now you can see the content language option, click on it. My default language of LinkedIn is currently English, so I'm going to change that language. Click on change. Here you can see various language options and you can choose the language preferred to you. I am comfortable with English, so I am going to keep it for my current language. So this is how you can change language in LinkedIn, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.